The world is changing. Climate change is a serious threat. Fossil fuels have powered industries for years, but at a cost. What if we had a clean, limitless energy source? That's where green hydrogen comes in. Welcome to Insight Gyan Institute. Today, let's explore the future of clean energy. Like, share, and subscribe to support us. Let's begin. So, what is green hydrogen? It's a clean fuel made from water and electricity. The process is called electrolysis. It splits water into hydrogen and oxygen using renewable energy like solar, wind, or hydropower. Unlike traditional hydrogen, this method produces zero pollution. Just clean, green energy. Why does green hydrogen matter? Our world runs on fossil fuels. They power industries, transport, and electricity. But they also cause pollution and global warming. Green hydrogen can replace fossil fuels in factories, power plants, and vehicles. Imagine a world where fuel doesn't pollute the air. Green hydrogen makes that future possible. If green hydrogen is so great, why isn't it everywhere? The problem is cost. Electrolysis is expensive. Storing and transporting hydrogen is difficult. Also, the process requires a lot of water. But don't worry. Scientists are working on cheaper and better solutions. Green hydrogen is improving every day. Countries like India, Germany, and Japan are investing in green hydrogen. As technology improves, costs will drop. Soon, we could see homes, industries, and vehicles running on hydrogen power. The future is green, clean, and coming fast. Green hydrogen could change the world. But we need to spread the word. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe for more future tech updates. What do you think about green hydrogen? Comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.